Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to our channel!
Yeah!
So Lauren Stewart here, and who are you? Oh,
Lilah.
Mom Stewart, daughter Stewart,
Well,
sister Stewart.
sister Stewart.
Are you the sister?
Yeah, I'm the sister.
Hang on, I'm coming unbuttoned. Today we thought let's get a little crazy, and we are gonna show you my current Beach Waves hair tutorial, and that is when I do my hair, which is not super often because Dawson, how old is he? Almost 12 weeks.
Yeah, almost 12 weeks.
So
Mom.
we're gonna curl our hair. Well,
I'm not.
just me. So anyway, Sean's gonna come home and be like, girl, what is this? It's gonna take him by surprise.
What is this?
Yeah, it's gonna take him by surprise. Are you ready? Hang on, I'm gonna blow raspberries on your tummy if you don't knock it off. Okay, ready? Mom's gonna do her hair, and we're back. So Lila's gonna entertain Dawson, and I'm gonna try to get a word in. Louie, get your tail, Louie. Anyways, all right, Lila's gonna entertain Dawson. Mom's gonna try and do her hair. Mark, set, go. Mark, set, go.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm gonna get my hair and she's gonna entertain Dawson.
Ready? Smile. I can't even.
Yeah.
Okay, now you have to let me curl my hair. Serious time now. Okay. All right. Alrighty, so the curling iron that I use is called the BaByLiss Pro. I think I said that right. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on it. But what I do is I'm going to curl away from my face, and I'm going to go all the way around my head. When I'm curling, I always start at the top portion of my hair, again, and I curl towards the back away from my face. You're going to see here that I leave out about 1.5 inches. I do vary this as I go around. So sometimes I leave out 1/2 inch, sometimes I leave out 1 inch. And I'm going to go ahead and just curl all the way around my head. And I'm going to try to do it while I have both my kids here. So this is what it actually looks like when I'm curling my hair. I leave the curling iron in after I get it all the way curled down. I count to about 10. I'm not going to count slow. I'm not going to count crazy fast, but I'm just going to count about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then let go. Do not fry your hair. Or if your hair is already fried, heaven help you like I needed to help me. tell I don't get a second to be bored while I am doing my hair. Yes, this is what it is really like. Lilah doing a fashion show, Dawson cooing and pooping, and we are going as quickly as we can. Luckily, this only took about 16 minutes, and that's from start to finish, and I was talking to you. Boom, and it took me 16 minutes to curl my hair. So again, leave out about this much. I think it's about 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches out, 1.5 inches on the curling iron, so that you can get your big, voluminous beach waves. And these waves will last me a few days. Next time, our video is going to be how to go 7 to 8 days without washing your hair and still look like you're freaking put together. Yeah. Go ahead. Whichever ones.
The blue spikes one or the yellow spikes one.
Which one?
They pick. And they want
picked the blue one?
Yeah, they picked
Okay.
the blue one.
We stopped and grabbed, I'm headed to New York next week, and I had to go grab a couple of things for meetings, and so got some earrings.
So you picked blue.
Yeah, I love them.
Do you like the color you picked?
I love them.
They love them. They love the color. Do you love the color you picked?
Yep. And there we go. Hair for days. Thanks for tuning in and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
We're going to a meeting.
Actually, we're just going to go get Chase from the bus. Not so
Yeah.
glamorous.
Yeah.
I mean, he's never ridden the bus in his life. We're going to get him from school. That was weird.
Yeah. That was very rude.
I love you. Bye.